There's an orange alert warning that has been issued because it's very, very foggy this morning. Dense fog conditions that have been reported across the Delhi NCR region and grab for measures that have been invoked. Now, AQI is in the severe plus category across various parts of the national capital. Here you can see visuals on your screen of how bad it is early this morning. Visibility has been very poor, extremely poor. In fact, very, very densely, the fog conditions that are prevailing in the Delhi NCR region. Now, this basically means that grab for measures which are in place since yesterday, which is restricting the entry of trucks into Delhi except those carrying essential supplies and those running on LNG and CNG. It also announced a ban on construction and demolition activities across the entire NCR regions. This, of course, also includes a ban on as far as schools are concerned and to go to the online model instead. My colleague Tarishka has the details.
There's an orange alert that has been issued for dense fog in Delhi NCR for the next 3 hours. As you can see the visuals behind me, dense smog engulfs the atmosphere at this point. Even traffic is, of course, moving cautiously and advised to move so as well, considering the dense smog. I am currently present near the Delhi airport, and out here as well, the AQI index is in the severe category. The AQI right now here in this area is of 400 levels, but there are around 40 active monitoring stations at this point that are recording an AQI index of 450 plus, which is comfortably in the severe plus category. The AQI index across Delhi NCR at this point is definitely in a very poor condition in the severe plus category, with stations like Wazirpur, Ashok Vihar, Rohini already recording an AQI of 500. So 500 mark has been hit across various locations in Delhi as well. We also understand that heavy good vehicles are banned in the capital right now. Heavy trucks are also not allowed to be on the roads. BS3 and BS4 vehicles are also not allowed to be on the roads right now. Construction work has been halted, and there is supposedly dust control going around as well. But these are the visuals that we're showing you. It's dire state of affairs in the capital, being completely engulfed in this sort of a gaseous smog chamber. With camera person Gopal, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.